Happy Friday. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to make a one-pot chicken feeders pasta. Here I've washed and cleaned and seasoned my chicken. Here I have my pasta, onions, peppers, vegetable oil, pepper jack cheese, and heavy cream. Stay tuned, guys. So I have my stove on medium high, and now I'm going to add my chicken. Chicken is all ready, so now I'm going to remove the chicken from the pot. Add your onions and your peppers. Guys, look at this. It's coming along nicely, and you just have to keep stirring it constantly to prevent the pasta from sticking. So it's been cooking for like 10 minutes now, so everything should be ready in another 10 minutes. Yummy. Guys, look at it. It's coming along nicely. I've decided to add a little garlic powder to it. Just a little bit. I've already added some salt and pepper. So I just add a little garlic powder to it. And I'm just going to let it continue to cook some more before I add my cheese. Okay guys, look at it. It's just where I want it to be at this moment. So now I'm going to add my cheese. I'm adding 1 cup of pepper jack cheese. You can add as much as you wish. Give it a nice stir. Oh wow guys, look at this. It's so yummy. Okay guys, so this is it. Next I'm just gonna garnish it with some parsley and serve it on up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you like this recipe or if you try it. And until next time, kind to others. One love.